I spy a tick-illy hiccup. The super challenger is 2 plastic cacti. Okay, Cece. Try this, and I bet you get rid of your hiccups right away.
I hope so.
All you have to do is balance this teddy bear up on your feet and hold this gumdrop on your nose and... Let's see. How about if you, count backwards from 10 to 1?
How is this gonna get rid of my hiccups?
Well, I don't know, but it's worth a try. Now start counting.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
It's working.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It worked! Ta-da! Your hiccups are gone. Or not. We've got to find something to get rid of those hiccups.
Hey, you two!
Hi, Duck. Cece has a big case of the hiccups. We need to find things to help her get rid of them. And fast.
You need to find things. Sounds like it's time to play I Spy!
I spy, you spy. Let's all play I Spy.
I spy a lemon, a white plastic spoon, a jack-in-the-box, and a purple balloon. Spy you later.
I spy a lemon, a white plastic spoon,
A jack-in-the-box and a purple balloon. How are those things gonna help me get rid of my hiccups?
I don't know, but there's only one way to find out. Let's go! Whoa! Okay, first we need to find a lemon.
Maybe we could find one at a lemonade stand. I'd love a cold drink. Hiccuping is making me very thirsty. To you too.
Oh, I was trying to scare you. Sometimes that gets rid of hiccups.
Thanks for trying, Spyler. You did look pretty scary. What are you seeing in those glasses?
All kinds of cool stuff. A little crab, a toy boat, a lemon, a sand pail. A lemon! Look, we found it! Look, we found it! Look, we found it! How about you? We found the lemon! Now we need a white plastic spoon, a jack-in-the-box, and a purple balloon. Cece, let's leave the lemon here and get you something to drink.
I bet that'll get rid of my hiccups. Maybe. Excuse me.
Huh? Ah, what was that?
That was me. I have a big case of hiccups, and I was wondering if I could please have a cup of your orangeade?
Sure, be my guest.
Oh, that was delicious. You know, I think my hiccups might be gone.
Yikes!
Cece!
I'm sorry, Mr. Bunny. I don't know how to stop these hiccups. I've tried everything. Saying the alphabet backwards, running in a circle, counting to 10.
Cece!
What?
Duck told us to spy a white plastic spoon, and there it is! Look, we found it! Look, we found it! Look, we found it! How about you?
Hi, Spyler. Hi, Cece. Aren't you glad to see me?
Hi, Duck. Yeah, and not a moment too spoon.
Hey, that's a good one. You found the lemon. You found the spoon. Find the jack-in-the-box and the purple balloon. And I bet Cece's hiccups will be gone really soon. Gotta go. Spy you later. Good luck.
Spy you later, Duck.
Oh, Spyler, instead of getting better, my hiccups are getting worse.
I know, Cece. We'll think of something to get rid of those hiccups. Don't worry. Here you go, Wheeler.
Thanks for taking these home for us, Wheeler. It sure was nice of Mr. Bunny to let us have that spoon. I'd like to come back and visit him again.
Cece, let's get rid of your hiccups first. Hey, let's stop for a second. I have another idea. How about if I count to 3 and then you hold your breath?
Will that get rid of my hiccups?
It might.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. I'll just sit here. What?
Nakatababahajo!
You have to go to the bathroom?
Nakatababahajo!
You want me to dance around the room? Okay.
Nakatababahajo!
What?
Behind you!
The Jack-in-the-Box! Why didn't you say so, Cece? Look, we found it! Look, we found it! Look, we found it! How about you? Let's give it a whirl! You never know when a Jack-in-the-Box might pop open!
Ah! Woof! That scared me.
Hey, did that scare make your hiccups go away? I guess not. How about we find that purple balloon? You know, Cece, I have a feeling that finding the purple balloon is going to solve all our problems. Why, Cece? Cece? Cece, are you all right?
I'm fine, but I don't know how to get out of here.
I'll get some help. Hold on, Cece, and we'll pull you out. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thanks. You guys.
Come on, Cece. Let's go find that purple balloon.
Okay, Spyler. Spyler, do you think I'll ever get rid of these hiccups?
Of course you will. Cece, do you spy what I spy? The purple balloon! Look, we found it! Look, we found it! Look, we found it! How about you?
Uh-oh, the purple balloon is getting away!
I've got an idea. Hurry! Ready, everybody?
Ready!
We did it!
Spyler, it's almost bedtime, and I'm still hiccuping.
Okay, Cece, just take a sip of lemon juice from this spoon.
Ugh! That tastes terrible!
But did it work? Okay, I have another idea. Okay, Cece, I know this will work. While you're floating up there, just, say the alphabet.
Okay, A, B, C, D.
Or maybe say the alphabet backwards. Start with Z and end with A.
Spyler! I don't think this is working!
Come back, Cece!
Spyler! You should have seen your face when I was floating away! It was a riot!
And you should have seen your face when you were trying to tell me about the Jack-in-the-Box, and I thought you wanted to go to the bathroom!
Hey, what's so funny?
We were laughing about all the stuff we tried to get rid of Cece's hiccups. We tried all kinds of things, but they didn't work, and it was so funny.
Hiccups? What hiccups?
They're gone! Hey! My hiccups are gone!
Hey, just thinking about all those things you tried made you laugh, and the laughing must have made your hiccups go away.
Thanks for helping me get rid of my hiccups today, Spyler.
You're welcome, Cece. Laughing really worked. Good night. Uh-oh, Cece.
Don't worry, Spyler. You just have to laugh. And I know a lot of great jokes.